Mr. Holness, me see in Parliament. Madam Speaker, Bigfoot. She named Bigfoot. And when you're over here talking about how every minister has to go release the aid that them get for the people, Mr. Holness, shut your damn mouth because you and your minister them sit down on the aid.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kindly, if it's your first time coming across my video, feel free to share, comment, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And for the returning ones, I want to appreciate you for the love and support that you have shown me. So guys, in today's video, it's this lady, we all know her, is known as London 45, and she has come out loud and she is exposing, Andrew Holness, the PM of Jamaican, and her wife Juliet, because she feels like there is something cheeky happening and there is lots and lots of corruption happening in Jamaica. So guys, I want you to watch the entire video till the end, then I'll be back with some comments. So stay tuned guys.
And you give your friend them, you associate them and who you want to give. And the leftovers, you pick out what you want to pick out, go give your supporters them. You're not distributing the aid how it's supposed to distribute. Someone want to know who will pan the aid them. Mr. Holness, where are the 350 sleeping tents that Japan donate? I know we don't see them. From we see a shake and for them, we don't see them back again. Where are the 14,000 sleeping bags, Mr. Holness? Liar thiefing, man. Where are the sleeping bags? Where are the tents? Where are the 419 water purifiers? We don't see none of them. Come talking about Madam Speaker, Madam Bigfoot. Oh no, this damn Madam Speaker get to my man. There's no respect in that house. No, Madam Speaker, she's Bigfoot. The whole of a thief over there. And by the way, when is it that you're going to come out and ask Bigfoot for table the 12 illicit thief? They make we know who. Listen, as taxpayers, we're entitled to know who are the 12 illicit criminals on have over there and hide and call them up. But Mr. Holness, revelation brewing. Revolution brewing. My God, this man come jumping up with a tantrum. All members who get aid to deliver to the people. Mr. Holness, shut up. Shut up, or you have the all of the things them hide up. Darrell Vale say 300 plain load of food come to Jamaica. And I'll know when I say one somebody with a show. I'll know I don't see one person a show one foreign food. You and your colleague them have the one of the foreign food them hide up and a thief up and a store for go open supermarket. You know, lie and thief over the boat. IPM have a system now in place and you're very happy to show what comes in and what goes out. I found a thief for thief already. I'm confused. I am confused. Go fix up your moral, man, and fix up on yourself. Oh no, a criminal over there, so we don't trust you people. There's no trust or no thief or no lie. But everything that ministers get aid for giving when they go demands that they give. We want the tent them and the sleeping bag them. And we want the 400 and add water purifier. We want everything on add up the things them and all and the things them and talking about ministers all and your ministers all and the things. You guys are evil and crooked, thief, sticky finger. Shut up. How is it that we taxpayers are paying you people and we can't know who is the 12 illicit thief left over there? On the table, on one table, on just sit down and have a sit down and linger like that. We need to know who are the 12 illicit thief them over there. We have an idea who they are already, but we want to know what is taking so long for you guys to table this document so we can know who they are. This is getting out of hand. We're paying them. Our tax dollars paying them. We deserve to know who they are. Talking about unfair and malicious attempt to destroy government. Who is unfair and as malicious as you? Criminal. Huh? You sign the code of conduct? You declare your status? Huh? Liar? Criminal? Who is maliciously unfair and thief like you? Everything where you do it maliciously or intentionally. No one is maliciously or intentionally trying to ruin the government. You already ruined the government with your lies. Your sticky finger and not holding your thieving ministers them accountable. That is enough intentional, malicious behavior we want to have towards the Jamaican people. But we are intentionally, maliciously attacking the government. The government a thief, on a thief over there. On a thief.
The girl will get burned up. The time when I give her money for go do surgery, only give the money towards the one way in a jail so she can get a good lawyer to defend herself. Because that's what she was doing. When the one will get born and all that sister go up there. Woman still a walk a fight of a man. Them beat up the girl the week before and stab her in her face. And them left from them yard and go back up there because them feel like, okay, me beat you already, me can beat you again. And go up on the girl work location. Figure beat her again. Gas them blood clot and light them only a pretty study by the two of them you gas and light out them blood clot. Cause them a junk crow. Woman still a walk a fight over cocky. If my man a look at woman and me know say him and her fuck, me now go to the girl. The only way she will get two out of me cutlass and if she open her mouth to me. But him a lick out for him blood clot make we fight if I so be the case or me walk away gracefully. Depends the mood of me in when me find out. So you know walk and fight no girl over no man because them something that don't make no sense. Because if I not share somebody else, because them a dirty man nowadays, them cannot tame and them lie. And when them a look them tell say, boy, you know me have a woman and me have, but me and him know you know nothing. Or you know, so me not really in a relationship, or we it complicated. Them a drunk here, we say them a man, them wicked and lie. So therefore, you know, walk and fight no girl over no man. And boy, take up yourself, you're your big dirty sister, and but you know, go and beat girl. And beat girl, I say, me sorry, so they never burn, you never burn to blood clot ashes. The people them are good money not for good no blood clot money, they must give money to the girl. She get one Peter champagne on them good top lie, they for defend her. As a self-defense, on a dog shit or no. And I see next sister, she come bout she a beg money. And this and that, they never tell us them every tap walk and fight for man. I call like you all on a grass night and the mama is so walk and fight over cocky too. I sorry say she never light out the wall on a blood clot and make no dead on a shit house.
Yo, you see, on a boy with the bad man face and the Batman heart, on the need for come down now here and stop living that illusion and confusion and start living on the truth, youth, and stop take girl pick the for idiot. But you see a girl like me, where a real G, uno could have never treat me, yeah? And you see, uno man too, who tell lies on the street and I try to justify things, kind of literally not have sex with man, but then I have man a back on the face and I suck on the hood. I'm here to tell you that you are gay. So please stop playing. You are that way, okay? On the ladies, on the need for stop enable them boy a dirty mix up lifestyle. Pick up all of the girl them when I chew money, I sleep with no boy we funny. All of my real G them when I sex not chicks with dicks. Gonna tell me how me sound.
Have your belief in principle. Does that mean that as Prime Minister,
look at this. Somebody come look at this.
then follow through on those principles?
Yes, my
Either
principle.
amend the law
Look at
if necessary and ensure, in fact, that the dipping into the piggy bank doesn't occur.
And I tell you why.
That's a commitment.
It stands as a commitment.
No, it wasn't any mistaken language when Michael Manley said it is the financial institution of the housing sector. Because effectively, this is where poor people would put their money, save it with that institution to get housing. We will bring down the interest rates on mortgages, but we will use the NHT money to build housing rather than to take it back to go pay the IMF. Your money that you save for house should be available to you to build house, repair your house, improve your house, and buy land.
When I tell you this is some bullshit, this is some bullshit. This is some bullshit.
Who really do crime with that man? Yeah?
Enrichment. My straight answer is that I have asked as far and as wide, I have gotten that response from everyone, but as far as I have been told, no. People have been written to, as the Integrity Commission does almost daily. But I have not heard of anyone in my political party being written to for this matter of illicit enrichment.
Lie!
What has been done with each person coming out and saying, no, I haven't been written to? Who genuinely can say that they are telling the truth?
The Integrity Commission, the Prime Minister, the opposition leader.
Really?
Mr. Holness, sir, I'm tired and I'm going to my bed, but I have to say this before I go to my bed, Mr. Holness. So, Mr. Holness, sir, Like how persons in the diaspora not coming home to breed and we were there now breed. You're finally going to import the man them in the country to come breed the woman them. Because last year when I make a video about it, you know, sir, them say I was losing my mind. I'm a crazy. But true, I realize that they're not looking for truth, they're only looking for lies. I hope you make them know, and Mr. Honest, if you make them know what to say, if them have 3 pitney, 4 pitney, them are going to get tax return. No matter how much pitney you have, you're going to get tax return. And the trick is, those who don't have any children won't be getting any tax return. So the more you breed, the more tax return you get. You tell them, Mr. Holness, sir, tomorrow may I go to bed.
Mr. Holness, good morning, sir. Mr. Holness, get your coffee and come right here, so come sit down. Look a liar thiefing man. May I go show you how you're wicked to the Jamaican people and wicked to the country. And then these idiots out here are celebrate your pay increase. May I show you something, Mr. Holness? Mr. Holness, in 2009, when Bruce Golding was Prime Minister, his pay was 4.7 million. Okay? $4.7 million. Taxpayers was pulling out of their pockets to pay Bruce Golding when he was Prime Minister. All right. The minute you jump in, your pay become $9.16 million, Mr. Holness. Come back again. May I show you something, Mr. Holness? When Portia Simpson Miller was there from 2012 to 2016, her pay was $7 million per month. Okay, from 2012 to 2016, her pay was $7 million per month. Now, Mr. Holness, may I go show you how you're devious, right? Every God Almighty year, you raise your pay. And when I want to cut the long story short, I go so bam and research the highest paid Prime Minister within the Caribbean. And you, Mr. Tiffin Lion Holness, is the highest paid Prime Minister within the Caribbean. May I go show you some simple little things. Trinidad and Tobago Prime Minister getting $87,847 per month. Okay? Barbados Prime Minister getting $87,000 per month. Right? Bahamas Prime Minister getting $86,000 per month. Jamaican Prime Minister getting $28.5 million per month, which can mount up to, in USD dollars, it can be $180,000 USD dollars or $190,000 USD dollars based on the exchange rate. No, Mr. Holness, why your pay have to be $200,000 USD dollars? What is it that you're doing to the Jamaican people? I remember when you came out, and said the political class can work and give good results with the money that they were getting, But you know what? You guys was doing a better job back then when you did get the 9 million, because guess what happened? You was good at lying to the people for run behind you. You was doing a good job to lie to us and con us to run behind you. And since you start to raise the pay every God Almighty year, more on the raise the pay, and more on the thief, and more the lie, and more on the wicked. What sense does it make? Where is the love that you have for the Jamaican people? Where is it? And then I see people out here say, yes, congratulations, Mr. Prime Minister, you deserve a raise of pay. Them deserve a conk in them forehead. Them not have no damn sense. How can our Prime Minister be the highest paid of all the Caribbean and him not do shit? Look how much months now hurricane gone and people still out the door. The other day, I see 2 labor right. One show a check for 200,000, one show a check for 75,000, and them have on them green clothes and them green ribbon. So this thing that you're doing, you're sabotaging the people, and you go way down to Westmoreland, go pick out 2 labor right, give one of them 75,000 and give one of them 200,000, and everybody else down there I get $39,000. Liar, wicked man. Let me tell you something, Mr. Holness. Your days are coming. Your days are come. This is a way to show you up, and I have no regret for the things that we have to go through, because guess what happened? We have to go through these things to prove how evil and wicked you is. Okay? I always hear about the Jamaica Labour Party, but I think so need to have one leader where I come change the course. I never know say the whole of wicked and thieves, so I never know that. Look what you come and do to the Jamaican people. Alright then, act like you love the people them, Mr. Honest, cause whole heap of people homeless and needy. Act like you love the people them then, and do the honorable thing. Direct 3/4 of your paycheck, your $28.5 million, direct it to the needy and the people who are poor. Try like you're nice, act like you're nice, and act like you do the you like the Jamaican people them, and do that and beat Mr. Golding if you're bad. Do that and beat Mr. Golding if you're bad, because remember what Mr. Golding did. Mr. Golding opposed against the raise of pay. Remember, I know the man opposed against it, and you still push it on him. From everybody pay raise, his pay naturally have to raise, but what he does, him not take it, him direct 3/4 of it. 80% of Mr. Golding pay is going to the needy every month, and we have evidence and proof of that. Do that and beat with your bad liar, thief, and wicked man, where act like you like the Jamaican people, and people out here talk about, oh, you deserve it, you deserve it. So you see, this is what I'm showing you. You deserve a big salary to punish the people them more. The more your salary raise, the more on the thief, and the more on the lie. And the more you're not hold nobody accountable. Ice paid Prime Minister within all the Caribbean. But at the end of the day, lowest paid minimum wage workers in all the Caribbean. You're just doing for yourself. You don't give a shit about the people. And people come talking about your best 1 p.m., you're the best thief, the best liar, the best wicked, the best Lucifer, the best everything that is bad. Dangerous. You're pathologically mendacious. You, Mr. Holness. Jesus of mercy, man. Oh, the hell we
So guys, I hope that you have watched the entire video till the end, and it has showed that people are now tired with this bad governance. When you see somebody coming out loud and posting things like that in their account, that shows you that people are really tired with this government. The other day, guys, I saw the people of St. James, in Jamaica. They demonstrated. They decided that this particular day we are not going to work, we are not going to do any job, we are planning to. They did a peaceful demonstration, and it was very good, because when you have bad governance, you are trying to tell the leaders whom you elected to serve you, and they are not hearing. I think the best option is to demonstrate, because these leaders don't like it when there is demonstration. They know that during demonstration a lot of countries are watching, especially Jamaica. Jamaican is a big brand. Jamaican has done lots and lots of things to this world. Jamaican has produced us the best music. Jamaican is being known for breaking lots and lots of records in the track and field. So these leaders, when they feel ashamed when they know that other countries are watching Jamaican demonstrating. So guys, the act of the people of St. James demonstrating, they were fearless, and that's why I like the Gen Zs nowadays. The Gen Zs, they are fearless. They fear nothing. They just want justice. These leaders during campaigns, they always sweet talk us, the citizen. They tell us that they will be building schools, building hospital, maybe they will be giving out free books to students, there will be free maternity for the women giving birth. But when these leaders get these seats, they turn out to be different. So I think, guys, we should be keen during the campaign and during election. I was shocked that the PM and Holness got the seat the second time. I know people have been complaining about bad governance in Jamaica, and I've come across a lot of videos, people complaining about many things. Like the other day, I saw some people complaining, during the Hurricane Melissa, it caused a lot of destruction, and because Jamaican is big and many countries were watching, they sent some money, some aid, and some Jamaicans were complaining that they never got help. Other countries, they sent money for supporting Jamaican, but I saw some Jamaicans are complaining about that they are still struggling. So I think the money that was supposed to help the Jamaican that were being affected was looted by this government, you know. So I think, guys, we should be very careful during campaign, during election. We should elect people, you know. Don't elect somebody because maybe he or she is of the same tribe as you, or maybe she has bribed you with some money. Elect somebody because you know he will be helping your future children, you know. In future you'll be having a child, in future maybe you are having a child now. So guys, I think we should be keen, you know, during this election. And that's a lesson, because now I think people will be keen during the next election. I think everybody will be keen. So that lady London 45, you have seen, she has come out and she has exposes these bad governors. And I think as Gen Z, we should be doing things like this, you know, because these leaders are very corrupt. They just want to benefit from us, you know. They always give us sweet words, but when they get these seats, they turn out to be different. So we should be like having a, we should be posting things like that so that we can expose this leader. I saw that Holness, the PM of Jamaica, elected her wife to be the speaker in the court, and that shows you that the opposition party, any motion, anything that will be, any agenda will not pass through the court, because the wife knows that anything that will be passing through the court will hinder his husband there. So she will not be allowing any proposal from the opposition leader. I've seen even the other day that she even turned off the mic of the opposition leader, and that shows you that the PM of Jamaica is in full control of the Jamaican, because when your wife is the speaker in the court, you can do anything, because everything must pass through the court. So guys, you can tell me in the comment section, do you think that the era of the good leader has ended, or it's just us who are not keen during election? It's just our leaders nowadays are very angry for their own benefit. So guys, I hope that next time, you know, we'll be very keen during election, so that we cannot repeat the same mistake. So guys, if it's your first time coming across my video, feel free to share, comment, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And for the returning ones, I want to appreciate you for the love and support that you have shown me. So guys, stay safe, one love, meet you in my next video.